In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Printify with Squarespace. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a straight-to-the-point explanation on how to set up Printify alongside Squarespace. So, the requirements to do this are first going to be an active Squarespace subscription. You need to have one of the plans available from Squarespace. This will include, but is not limited to business, for example. Next, make sure that your store is set up and good to go within Squarespace. I'm not going to go over too much detail about how to set it up, but you will be able to set up a store on your website, announce your products, and then connect it to Printify. So with the Squarespace part of the process and all of the setup done here, go back into Printify. Assuming that you are using their new dashboard, all that you have to do is go over here, click on your store, and then you will be able to select Manage My Stores. You will see all of the connections that have been established, and under the store where you want to connect Squarespace to, just go over to the Connect button. Now, you will be able to find plenty of sales channels here that you can connect with. All that you have to do is select Squarespace. What you will notice is that for my account, it isn't going to be able to connect because I don't have any storefront set up on Squarespace. However, if you do, it is going to appear here automatically, and as soon as you click it, you will be able to proceed to the terms. You will have to agree with the permissions asked by Squarespace, and as long as you grant the permissions needed, then both services will be connected, and the store that is set up on Squarespace will be used integrated with Printify. You will be able to find all of your products and manage them from your Printify dashboard. So it's as simple as going over to Manage My Stores, finding the specific one that you want to use, clicking Connect, and then selecting Squarespace. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Printify with Squarespace. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.